Welcome to our Teton Timber Frame Pavilion instructional video. My name is Alex, project manager at the barnyard, and I will be your guide. Our Teton Timber Frame Pavilion with arched king post design, authentic mortise and tenon joinery, oak pegs, and large timbers will look stunning at your location. The pavilion should be safely raised with either an 8,000-pound lull type forklift with extendable boom or a smaller 15 to 20-ton boom crane. This video makes it easy to build, even without prior timber framing experience. We recommend a crew of about 4 to 5 people to raise this pavilion. The frame raising process will take about a day to complete, but you'll remember this for a lifetime. We also provide a complete assembly plan for your specific build, and each timber has a number showing the exact location in the frame. With the rafter plate being lowered down, and then you're going to want to take one side at a time and assemble the mortise and tenons into their pockets using a soft rubber mallet. Once everything's assembled and they're home, you're going to want to find the right corresponding pegs, ensuring that there's a 1.5 inch reveal on each side. Next, we're going to raise up this wall as one assembly and insert the bottoms of the posts right into the knife plates. The other side is exactly the same. Once again, we're going to lift up this assembly and set it on the knife plates. The arched king post trusses will come pre-assembled from our shop, just like you see here. There's 2 pockets on either side of the rafter plate assemblies that this truss will fall right into. So next we're going to do the same assembly process for the other gable truss. The first big pick for the roofing system will be the ridge beam, and as we take pressure off, a couple whacks with the mallet, ensure everything's fully seated. Then all the appropriate oak pegs will be installed, and now it's time for rafters. You'll notice on the ridge beam there's a dovetail pocket. That oval is the layout for the timber rafters to ensure that everything is perfectly aligned. In a matter of an hour or so, all the rafters are installed. As you move up the roof, you're going to want to cut back your decking boards to the rafter before it and keep that pattern going all the way up the roof. Snap a line and cut a straight line up the roof. And then you start on your first course. Once your first book is laid, continue on with full shingles down the roof line. And now we've completed the pavilion. Job well done. If there's any questions along the way, always feel free to reach out to your project manager and we can answer anything that comes up. But in the meantime, enjoy the assembly process and the build, and we'll see you on the next one.